Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, compass, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.